What is up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Nina, and I will be the first to say that living healthy, quote unquote, whatever that means, for most of us can be difficult. And being a person that's lost over 100 pounds and kept it off now so many years, I can definitely say that it has been difficult, and I still feel like a newbie in the game at times. I'm still learning and growing. But today, I'm going to share with you my 7 simple and affordable healthy habits to change your life for beginners. I'm going to include some of the things that I eat and what I do to work out in a day. And I definitely want to ensure that I hear from you. So make sure that you comment down below. Let me know some of the videos you would like to see and other things I can do to be helpful for you. Make sure that you also join my free text community and also subscribe so that you can make sure that you're never late on an update. Let's get into this video. This first one, waking up earlier, is absolutely free and it gets the great start to your day. This is one of the best ways for me to stay more productive. It's also the time that most people in the house won't interrupt me, and those outside my house that like to call my phone, usually they're not calling super early in the morning. So I love that time to save for myself. I always have much to do, and it takes real time to adjust to just waking up early in the morning, but once you make it a habit, you'll never look back. And while I sleep in some days, it's not often at all. So if you're looking to do this, here's some tips to start. You want to start slow. If you normally get up at 8 a.m., don't jump to 6 a.m., okay? You'll hate it. So try 7:45 first and ease your way back. And I'm a snooze pusher, real one in the flesh. So I asked my husband to set his clock at night. So I just put my phone by him at night or have him set his. And this also is made easier by having better sleep habits and routines. So I prep for bed through a simple wind down routine, even my skin and teeth routine. It helps me to calm down before bed. And I have to avoid very bright screens before, 1 to 2 hours before bed. And what I eat and drink before bed makes a difference in how I feel. And that's why warm tea usually is what lasts in a good feeling for me. And if you're real bad, which makes it so you have to get up and go catch it in the morning, I got a link down below for you. Planning all of our meals in advance, as well as when we're going out to eat, is a must. And I get it, you don't have the time, but that's why it's a must to plan ahead. Coming up with a meal plan each week helped me to know what to buy at the grocery store. It made me less likely to eat out. And I give myself 2 options: spend extra time on Sunday and cook several portions at once, or then when I'm hungry, just simply reheat any items that I have available to me to remake and remix different dishes. Here are some other tips to start. On a recent video, I showed y'all some of the things I can eat and prep. I try to eat every 2.5 to 3 hours to cut down on eating like a water buffalo when I see food, okay? Standards in my home are still cut oats, brown rice, and veggies. Everything else can be prepped around that. I try to vary my menu each week, and I don't get afraid to try out new meals. With some apps, you can import your favorite recipes from websites, plan out your week, and create a grocery list. But for me, I'm not picky, and I learned the basics with my weight loss. I embrace frozen fruits and vegetables. The fruits are great for making quick morning smoothies, while frozen vegetables can easily be cooked and used for side dishes or thrown into pastas or even rice. I like this because I sneak in things that give me major vitamins like potassium, vitamin C, antioxidants, and more key things. I just keep rotating how I add the different sides and proteins to give myself variation. And I also keep a lot of snacks on deck and in my purse. This is usually almonds because those keep you full. And just because I'm able to reach for them, it keeps me from making silly food choices when I'm feeling really hungry. I also try to get my exercise in as early as possible. And because I'm an intermittent faster, I try to work out before breaking fast. I try to get it in before a million excuses start to form, because they will. And to be honest, my mood is better when I do, and it's easier to stick to. And to make things easier, I get my stuff together the night before. I make sure my clothes and sneakers, my headphones, and all those things are good to go. And I don't eat in the morning, but if you do, have a good breakfast ready for you and waiting. To like something more, it's good to mix up your routine so you don't bore yourself and you're excited to do it. So I work out about 45 minutes daily. I do just cardio 3 days a week. The other days I mix in high intensity cardio. I add in upper body some days and lower body others. And I also add in body weight when possible for my overall toning. But besides convenience, high intensity training has been shown to be more effective than other forms of training. So it's just an excellent form of burning fat and calories quickly. Now, speaking of convenience, some days it's just super hard to get it in, y'all. So I like finding new ways to stay motivated with my fitness. And some days this happens when I go to the gym or choose a workout at home. Does this sound familiar to you? Even though motivation is very powerful, it comes and it goes. Discipline is what will keep you sticking to a workout plan. Believe me, I know. I believe the best way to improve your discipline is with accountability, and that's why Future is sponsoring today's video. Future is a new fitness app that pairs you with your own highly credentialed fitness coach. When you sign up, you'll have a video call with your coach who will then design a custom workout plan based on your needs and your schedule. And the platform is so simple and easy to navigate, y'all. Future's coaches are equipment agnostic, meaning that if you only are able to do bodyweight workouts at home, or if you choose to go to the gym, the coach will build it into your plan. And believe me, I know, because Hope is my coach and she's amazing. Between voice prompts, video check-in calls with your coach, and messaging within the app, you actually feel like you're working with a real person and not a robot or recording. And together, you and your coach will work together to achieve your fitness goals. I already work out with a wonderful coach too, and Hope has really designed a lot of workouts that help to complement a lot of those workouts, so they really do look at your personal life, your needs, and the things that you're needing to feel your healthiest and your best. And no matter how busy your life gets, your coach is there to keep you on track. And the coaches have trained everyone from professional athletes to working professionals. No matter your level, your coach meets you where you are. And if you're ready to start building the discipline it takes to achieve your fitness goals, go to tryfuture.co/Nina to try your first month with Future for just $19. Click the link in my description and choose your coach today. We always talk about everything we can't do with our health, but it's important to hold on to some things. Something that really helped me in my journey is understanding what fit people of all ages do. Fit people don't diet. Obsessing over every calorie is the best way to give up. Most successful fit people make health a lifestyle and enjoy all the foods, but in smaller portions. And feeling deprived ain't it, sis. The worst thing I could do is to be strict and then rebound by overeating. I was never satisfied. Following that 80-20 rule has legit become my best friend. And this means that you eat healthy 80% of the time and 20% you eat what you want. This might mean having an 150 calorie treat daily or saving it all up for a big meal out on the weekend. Know that it's up to you, your body, and no one else's. Something else about me that you may or may not know is that I have a lot of anxiety. So preparing my life before bed is what works best. My mind races at night, y'all, like on and on. Usually about what I must do the next day or even in the far future. Click like if you can relate to that. So I've had to learn to spend a little time before I get to bed to write out or type up a to-do list for the next day or even the next week. And this helps increase organization and productivity for me. I prioritize tasks by importance, and that way I know where to begin my day the next day, and I don't sit up just worrying about it or thinking of it. I also try to get the most important or difficult tasks done first, and it makes the rest of my day much more easy. So it really sets me up for a lot more success. Y'all, consistency overall has been key. I used to feel like small changes didn't make a big difference for my life, but over time, small changes bring big results. A big one for me has been sticking to multivitamins, taking my liquid vitamin D and other supplements to increase my health overall. I don't try to adopt new things all at once because it don't work. I pick one thing, adopt it into my life, and once it becomes a habit, I add something new. It takes time, so don't get down about it. Don't harm yourself trying to do everything at once. I built up to these points by working on small things first. Y'all, that's all for today, and I hope that this video has provided you with some great tidbits and nuggets of information to help you be successful in your fitness goals and journey. Make sure that you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Beautiful brown baby doll. Peace. Check the links in the description for my free new Dr. Nina's Mentorship Facebook group, which is a group of like-minded individuals looking to progress, grow, and support one another along the way. The Now That's Life podcast is about to go into season 2, so I suggest you go ahead and subscribe to the podcast on all your major podcasting platforms. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.